Hello and welcome to the continuation of our ADDIE model video series. Today we will be exploring the third category of the ADDIE model, and this is my favorite stage, the develop stage. Although this stage seems to be straightforward and all you need to do is create the content around it. However, there are certain things which you need to keep in mind before or while developing your training content. Number one, when determining the type of format to use, or which type of format to use rather, it is important to consider your audience and the goals of your training. This could include a live seminar presentation, e-learning modules, or sometimes in rare scenarios, some handouts for attendees. Each of these formats has its own pros and cons, and the choice ultimately depends on what exactly you want to achieve with your training. For example, if you're using a PPT or a presentation, it is important to make sure it is visually engaging and not just a collection of bullet points. What I mean by that is we need to use less text and more graphics such as images, charts, and diagrams. Visual aids help to emphasize key points and make the presentation more memorable. If you're planning to add some data pointers, a simple bar chart would convey the best information clearly and effectively. At last, if you're trying to use some handouts or some papers at the last, keep them less detailed and only include the summary points of the presentation. The purpose of the handout is to provide a quick reference guide for the attendees so that they can take that home, and whenever they want a quick summary or a reference guide, they can quickly take up the handouts. All these things are important, but ultimately the goal is what exactly you want to achieve with your training. That's how you need to develop your training program.